So with the machine we also deliver a starter set in a box. And it consists of different grid of abrasive paper. These pads can be put on this side of the grinding head. Then we have these brushes with a mix of Scotch-Brite and abrasive for the edge rounding of mild steel, stainless steel, aluminium. Then we have a pad with lamellas if you want to do a really good edge rounding, deeper rounding off. This is more aggressive, obviously. Then we have this pad with the Velcro for easy change of the different types of abrasives. And for polishing, here the Scotch-Brites. Of course, you can go on with polishing in higher level grids.